Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notifications by swiping down. Now, we do want to swipe down from the right side. This will bring up the toggles, and then swipe down once more on them to reveal a list of all the toggles that we have access to. And one of them will be a screen recording one. Once you see it, you can tap on it to start recording. Select agree. It gives us this quick little overlay of what the options here are. So we have microphone, we can toggle it on or off, and the timer, which also when you tap on the square, it will stop the screen recording. I'm going to disable the mic just because I don't want to hear myself, and there we go. As you can see, we have this overlay which you can move around. It won't be visible on a screen recording, so don't worry. Now whatever application you will open up will be recorded by the screen recorder, minus some like streaming application or bank apps. Those will not. And like I mentioned, once you're done, you can just simply tap on the square. This will save the screen recording, which you can then find that recording in your gallery application. It will be visible as the newest thing, or you can find it under the albums, and this will create an album called Screenshots. So there we go. It's basically the screen recording. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.